Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. That's another video about funny facts about animals. The male seahorse goes through pregnancy and gives birth to babies. They are the only animal on earth where the male carries the baby rather than the female. The male seahorse has a pouch on its stomach in which to carry babies. As many as 2,000 at a time. A pufferfish can contain a tetrodotoxin, a toxin that is up to 1,200 times more deadly than cyanide of humans. There is enough toxin in one pufferfish to kill 30 adult humans, and there is no known antidote. Amazingly, despite this, some pufferfish meat is considered a delicacy in Japan. The meat called fugu is expensive and only prepared by licensed chefs with over 3 years of rigorous training who remove toxic parts of meat for dinners. The loudest animal relative to size is the water boatman, which measures at just 12 millimeters long but can produce 99 decibels of sound by rubbing its genitalia across its abdomen. This is the equivalent noise level of operating a circular saw or a drill. The howler monkey is the loudest land animal. Its calls can be heard from 3 miles 5 kilometers away. And its peak, the howler monkey can produce sounds that reaches 140 decibels. That's as noisy as a jet engine on takeoff. There is an average of 50,000 spiders per acre in green areas. There is over 45,000 known spider species with the venom of a few only known to be dangerous to humans. The aptly named color squid's eyes are as large as a basketball. This allows the colossal squid to detect the faint light of predator from over 400 feet, 120 meters. White-tailed jackrabbits are the greatest land jumpers, having been recorded leaping an astonishing 21 feet, uh, 6.4 meters vertically. That's higher than three average-sized men all stood on top of each other. This large species of hare can also run up to 35 miles per hour, 55 kilometers per hour, when escaping predators. Gray-headed albatross can recycle the globe in only 46 days. The incredible round-the-world journey covers 14 miles over the 46-day period at a steady 13 miles per hour. They perform this feat by making various pit stops along the way. Giraffes are the tallest land animal in the world, reaching heights of 19 feet 5.8 meters. The ostrich is the world's tallest bird, It can grow up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters tall, over 2 meters, 7 feet of a giraffe's total size is its famously long neck, which helps it reach leaves in tall trees. And ostrich legs are so powerful that their kicks can kill a lion or a human. Each two-toed foot has a long, sharp claw, making them formidable weapons. Animals often end up running away from the ostrich. The dementor wasps paralyzes cockroaches with venom to its head, turning them into a zombie-like state. The toxins leave the cockroach unable to control its own movements, which incredibly makes it run into the wasp's nest to meet its demise. The venom is thought to cut brain activity that makes cockroaches sense fear and run away to safety. The mentor wasps will then lay eggs on the cockroach to act as an incubator of its young. More than half of all pigs in the world are kept by farmers in China. There are over 440 million pigs in China. United States is comparison has a mere 73 million pigs. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur coats. It helps them absorb heat to keep warm, while the white fur helps provide camouflage in the snowy and ice environment they live. Giant anteaters consume up to 35,000 ants and termites in a single day. They use their long sticky tongues to slurp up hundreds of ants per minute. Uh, Interestingly, anteaters powerfully never destroy an ant nest, preferring to leave some ants alive to rebuild so it can return and feed again in the future. So that's all for now. Thank you for review. Write a comment below. Have a nice day. Bye.